welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I'm stopping by to give you an update on my Nadula hair. Yes, honey, I've had this hair in now for almost 4 weeks and it is still kicking, okay? So if you want to hear how I take care of it and all the things that I do to keep it looking this good, stay tuned. So if you have seen my previous video, you will know that I'm wearing the Nadula Brazilian curly hair, and the lengths that I'm wearing are 22 and 20. So I have actually 3 bundles in, which are 2 22s, a 20-inch, and then I got a 20-inch closure as well. I chose to use the sewing method, and I've had this hair in now, as I said before, for 4 weeks. So what I will do is I will leave a link below for you to check out that other video so you can see, you know, the packaging, how it looks, and that sort of thing. But yes, I just wanted to come to you to show you the hair and how it, you know, it's really keeping the curls. And I believe that the older the hair gets, the more the curls shine. It's amazing. Usually what I do is if I install hair, whether or not I do a sewing or if I do a crochet, what I will do is I will take it out after 3 weeks. But 3 weeks came and this was still looking good, and I was like, okay, let me go on just a little bit longer. And I'm totally enjoying it. The curls are so beautiful. The curl pattern is amazing, and I am really and truly enjoying wearing this hair. So how do I take care of it? What I do is I use a spray bottle as such, and I just spray it, you know, on the daily, because when you add the water to it, the curls just really, you know, form the beautiful pattern that it has. Like, it redefines the curl, and it's absolutely beautiful. The next thing that I use in it a couple times a week, now don't go crazy, I don't put this in every day, is I use this Cream of Nature argan oil, and it is for natural hair. It's called the argan oil twist and curl pudding, and it says it shapes and smooths for stretched out curls, right? So it helps to kind of redefine your curls. There you go. Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco, and it's for natural hair, so it works really beautifully with this. And to be honest, I don't add a lot to it. I just put a little bit on very lightly on the ends, and maybe, you know, on the sides, kind of just move it around with my fingers. But I don't go crazy like dipping my hand in the tub and doing, you know, as if I'm gonna cream my skin. No ma'am, just use it lightly, because honestly, for maintenance, this hair does not require too much. Another thing that I enjoy about this hair, and that has helped me to if I'm not using the water bottle to help to define the curls, is I shower without a shower cap, and I just leave the hair as is, let the, you know, the water, whatever gets on it, and then when I come out, towel dry it, and if I need to, I'll add a little bit of this, and I am good to go. It's like a shake and go. Absolutely beautiful. I just love that it's low maintenance, because I am busy, as I'm sure a lot of you are, and I don't have a lot of time to focus on doing my hair, right? Also, washing the hair is also easy. Again, I just got in the shower with my my shampoos, and I don't have the bottles with me, but I use a Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner as well. And like I said, this hair is easy to maintain, so I believe whatever shampoo and conditioner you use in your own hair will be suitable to wash this hair as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It looks just as good as I showed it to you, as when I showed it to you the first time. It is just, I just love it. What can I say? So guys, Nadula has extended some of its discounts and stuff, right? Remember in the first video I told you that they were having a sale, and that sale ran from April 2nd to the 9th, but now they have, you know, added additional discounts and stuff like that. I will definitely leave a code for you to go in and check out Nadula. the Nadula site and apply some of these codes so you can get your discount off your bundles. Yes, honey, it's springtime, about to be running into summer, and we want to get our bundles up. Okay, another thing that you absolutely must do is to check out the description box, because there is deal after deal after deal after deal. So you have to check the description box below to get all the information that I have for you, for so that you can get all your discounts and you know what's happening on the Nadula site, so you can take advantage of it. So yes, absolutely gorgeous. I just wanted to stop by today to tell you that my hair is still holding strong, and I definitely recommend Nadula. I would definitely wear it again. Maybe I'll get another curl pattern, or another, you know, maybe like the wavy or something, and if I do get that, then I will definitely share with you as well and tell you, you know, kind of like how it stacks up to this one. But this one for me is doing the job. I absolutely love it. Take a look at that, right? And like I said, usually it would have been out by now, because I would have been done at 3 weeks and ready for another install, whether it's the same hair or a different hair. But at 3 weeks is when I usually, you know, redo my hair. So guys, what can I say? The proof is in the bundle. The proof is in the hair. Nadula.com. Definitely check them out and make sure that you order your bundles. And hey, guess what? Come over on IG and share with me when you have installed your hair, or you have made a wig, or whatever you do, honey. Put that thing on and come over on my page at the Glamorous Penny on Instagram and show me how your hair looks. All right, so thank you guys so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I welcome you, and you know, would love to have you as a part of the Penny Pincher family. And in order to do that, all you have to do is to hit the subscription button below, and once you hit that subscribe button, right beside it there's a little bell, ding 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 ding. Hit that bell as well. That way you are notified of every upload that I do. You'll be the first to know. And to all my wonderful Penny Pincher family, thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying love you, love you, love you. Bye bye.